Morning, kiddo. What you up to?
We're getting ready for some final tests on covering all this stuff up. So I'm doing a air test on so this one is natural gas, and this one's propane that comes from the other corner. And if you look here, see the bubbles? So what I do is I spray it with just the soapy bubble stuff, and then you can see how it foams up with bubbles anywhere there's a leak. So right now it's at almost 20 pounds of pressure, and they only require 10 pounds for 10 minutes. But you can see how it's foaming up. That means I got a leak at this gauge here, so I will tighten it up. And this one that goes underground is at 70 pounds of pressure. So it's good. And then down there I did have where we actually drilled through a 3-inch PVC line that feeds our water bog. So what I did is I put a rubber cork in it, left it in it for a couple of days, and made sure there was no water leakage out of it. And you could take since it's rubber, I used like a screwdriver and poked it down in and pressured it down in. So once it got down, it kind of flared back out. And then, you know, as you see on TV, the guy that cuts the boat in half and seals it with the Flex Seal, you know, yeah, they didn't buy this for me or nothing. But it's got like 3 coats of the Flex Seal on top of that, so it's got about an 1/8 inch of rubber on top of what I already packed. So it's just like a reassurance, because this is all encased in concrete, so there's like no way. Well, I guess there's always a way, but I mean it would take a lot of work. I don't know how you do it, but to get that out and replace that. But like I say, it's encased in the concrete on the footings, and a mist drill thing ran a 1/4-inch drill bit through it. And that's life, you know. We all make mistakes. What do they say, we're human. So all you got to do is figure out how to correct your mistakes and cover them up, and then it's not a mistake no more. So this right here, I'll put some like this foam stuff over it to kind of protect it so the dirt don't get down on it. And then I will go ahead and backfill all this afternoon and get it all compacted. And then hopefully in the next few days we'll try to get some gravel out here and see where we're at with that, because we're probably looking at 20 yards of gravel to fill this in to slope it off. You can see my red line over here. That's the height of the gravel. So to the far left, it's not looking too bad. You know, like they say you need 3 to 4 inches. Well, over here on the far right, I'm like, you know, 6 to 7 inches. So I'm going to have the gravel brought in, and then I'll compact that and put a finished grade on it. And then I think we'll build our walls and pour our pad later. Well, the weather's changing up here, and we're trying to get a roof on the garage. We finally got all the underground stuff. There's a lot of pipes there. But I'm not like the normal person. I stick a lot of stuff under there. So there's geothermal cooling pipes. There's radiant heat pipes. There's electrical pipes. There's pond pipes, waterfall pipes, sewer pipes, and gas pipes. And on the gas pipes, they do have gauges on them with air pressure in them, because you need to test that stuff. And they might go down overnight, so don't think you have a leak if you come out in the morning and we lost 20 pounds of pressure out of 70 pounds. Even the minute, smallest leak, you would have nothing in the morning. So we got it all ready. I'm a little short on dirt, but the green line's going around the whole thing. This afternoon they're going to bring in gravel. So they'll fill the whole thing up to that green line with the gravel. They'll bring in a chute and try to level it off for me. And then either we'll pour the floor or build the walls. Probably going to be build the walls since we'll have a nice level gravel in here, so because we're running short of time, can't get contractors to come out and pour the floor. So we got to keep moving.
So they're delivering the gravel, and it's all done via remote control. That guy standing in the black jacket is actually driving the truck with a remote.
So here's the whole thing kind of full on gravel. I didn't have to touch nothing. This guy here drives his whole truck and everything just by the remote. He pulled it in, backed it over there, backed it in here. So everything, modern technology, is by remote. So it's all pretty full. I'll go through and kind of scrape it down, level it out, compact it all, and start building, I think.
Well, time's getting short and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Oh, in case you forgot, remember to subscribe. See you later. Bye.